Hello everyone, and in this video I just wanted to do a small recap for all the work we did to create this basic mesh. So first of all, we started with this dunes network. What this node group is doing is basically creating the basic form of the dunes. After we created the basic form, we moved on to adding more and more details to it. To do this, we first started by creating those small waves, basically using the Voronoi texture and just blending it with the first setup. And also, by the way, the main takeaway of the first setup is this idea right here: how you mix the original mapping with another noise texture. And for the small waves, we used a similar technique right here, mapping the Voronoi texture based on the original mapping of the UV and also of the noise texture. We basically mix them together to create some more variety, which are those small waves going right here. After doing that, we created this small shader right here, and unfortunately I didn't add a mapping node to it. This noise texture is meant basically to create the illusion of the grains of the sand on the dunes. It is just really subtle effect, because notice that the factor is actually super small, 0.02, but it just add more details, as I said before. Let's right now move to the last part, which is the rock texture, which is pretty basic. It is just basically combining a Voronoi texture with a noise texture and driving this noise texture through a color ramp to basically create more contrast on it, and just make sure to mix it with a screen blending mode so it gives the illusion of some bumps that are basically looking like rocks. And the last thing, this whole setup is basically driven by this displacement node, and this node will basically go to displacement. And this is our shader or our displacement nodes that are contributing to creating the shape of this desert. And the next one, we will create the color in a realistic way. See you in that video.